Welcome to an introduction into the animation widgets of the Simple Animations framework. I want to show you how to create an animation. Let's start by replacing the container with our own widget. It's a stateless widget that returns a text widget. The number in the text should be animated. First 0, then 1, 2, and so on. We copy the text widget to use it later. Instead of it, we use a play animation widget that will just start any animation. For the play animation widget, we need to provide a builder function. This function is called every time our animation updates. It takes 3 parameters. The last one, value, is the most interesting. It contains the current state of the animation. Let's paste our copied text widget here. We will take care of it soon. Next, we tell our play animation widget to animate values of the type integer. Then we need to define a tween. It's a description of the animation behavior. It specifies how our value should animate over the time. We choose to tween a number, starting at 0 to about 64,000. Now it's time to replace the static value in our text widget with the animated value. Now when we restart the animation, it's counting the number up. The default duration is 1 second. That's quite fast, so let's make it last longer by specifying our own duration. It now animates with the same speed over 5 seconds. To make the animation more interesting, we add a nonlinear animation curve. Ease in will slow down the animation at the beginning and speed up at the end. That looks fantastic. The play animation can animate every data type we want. Let's change it up. Now we want to animate the size of a box. We tell the play animation to animate double values from 0 to 200. And instead of a text widget, we are returning a container widget. We use the value for our width and height of the container. Let's tune our easing curve and our duration. Now we have an animated box. It's very easy to change the play animation widget into something else. Just rename the widget, for example into loop animation. It repeats the specified tween over and over again. You can also pick the mirror animation. Instead of restarting from the beginning, it reverses the animation direction when reaching the beginning or the end. Now you know the basics of animation with stateless animation widgets of the Simple Animation framework. For more details, have a look at the README files. I wish you happy animating!